So I'm taking some of our gym wipes, and I'm going to show you how to clean not only your tracks, but the track that your foot bar runs along. Okay, gotta take these off. Easiest way to do it. Now, the first thing we're going to clean is the track that the carriage is running along. And basically, my finger, I can kind of feel, sometimes I want to feel that in case it's, do you see that? It's a little bit dirty. And I can feel if there's something in there. And also, I can check up at the front. I can take my thumb and feel and make sure that my stopper is still there. So while I'm at the front of the machine, I'm making sure my stoppers are there. There's my stopper. And now I'm going to take my wet wipe and I'm just going to use my finger on it, and I'm going to rub from the front end here all along, scraping my hand pretty hard, and I'm going to go to the back. Now I'm reaching across to the other side, and I'm just sliding it back all the way to my, basically I can't go any farther because the carriage is in the way, so now I'm finished at the front. So I'm going to slide this forward. I'm going to do the same thing to the back. I'm going to start by sliding back and feeling, is my stopper still there? Yes, it is. And now I'm going to slide it along, make sure that everything is clean. All right, this moves back and forward, right? But first, make sure you always teach people to slide it from the center line, not from the side. That'll help protect your machine longer. If you don't know how to take care of this, this can get all grungy. Let me show you how to take care of it. You're gonna take this, and again, just your finger again, or two fingers if you like, and I'm coming up and under, and you're gonna feel a ledge right here. First, up here, I'll feel all the little spots that we set our divots in. You'll wanna make sure you really back and forth and scrub up there. But then there's a ledge, and you basically slide just like you did for the wheel track. Now you do it for the foot bar track. And this is something that makes a difference in your slideability, the smoothness of it. And you can see it's my quarterly cleaning. There's a reason to do it. There are many different spots other than this one that I'm rubbing across here. There's another one straight back against the edge. All you have to do is get in and feel it with your finger, and you'll be able to find these spots. I take my hand up and under, there's that ledge, and I'm just going to slide, and I'm also deep into the corner with my corner of my nail, and I'm sliding to the back, and I'm gonna do it a few times back and forward, because every quarter you just get stuff in there.